Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a glitch here at the airport with the police helicopter and this little spinny thingy, whatever it is. We're going to land right on the middle of it, and it's like a little visible ground. Oops, hold on. And this invisible ground that I'm talking about, you can actually walk on it. Look. Sorry for my character to be a girl. Just really don't feel like changing it yet. Too lazy. See? Oops, went too far. But yeah, there's the glitch. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.